Okay, I'm going to do my final project report, and my name is Wang Yuhao. Okay, and here's the table of contents. Alright, I'm going to do the Unit 6. First, price management. Okay, what is price management? Price management refers to the entire process of organizing inbound and outbound goods for transport. This process ensures that the right products get to the right place in the right time frame and at the right price. It does this by coordinating the processes between all parties, carriers, distributor, vendor, and shippers to prepare, ship, store, and receive freight. The goal is simple: get the cargo to its destination safely and in the most efficient way. Okay. So what is involved in freight management? Route optimization, ensuring the fastest routines for transport. Renegotiation, finding the right price with the right carrier and survivors. According and editing, tracking and improving the numbers involved in freight forwarding, chain management, organizing and handling screeners, uh, insurance or otherwise for loss or damaged goods. Data collection, checking routines and processes to gather insight about more effective operations. Trade and regulation management, ensuring the goods and transportation are compliant with government products. Warehouse distribution, handling organization of package in warehouse throughout the transport process. Carrier and vendor management, maintaining relationship with everyone along the supply and transport chain. Alright, Unit 7, Logistics and Supply Chain. Alright, let's do a little introduction of logistics and supply chain. Logistics management is a small potential of supply chain management which combines the flow of goods, surveys, information, and capital right from raw material to its final consumer. Supply chain management is a broader term which is associated with the securing of raw material, procurement of consumer requirements, conversion into final products, and delivering on time at consumer end. The differences between logistics and supply chain management. The base differences is the process of integration and maintenance of goods in an organization where supply chain management is the coordination and management of supply chain of an organization. Earlier to deliver any goods or service to its final consumer, only logistics management was applied, where supply chain management is an involved and modern concept of the same. Another difference is between logistics and the supply chain management is that the objective of logistics management is consumer satisfaction, while supply chain management emphasizes more on subjective advantages. Supply chain management involves the planning, implementation, and the effective storage of goods and the service between the point of origin and the point of consumption, consumption to meet consumer requirements, where logistics management's main objective is to deliver the right product at the right time with another attributed in place. In Unit 8, RFID. What is RFID? RFID frequency identification is a technology used in identify items in unique manners by way of radio waves, and is capable of capturing hundreds of objects at the same time. We use it in our daily life more than we imagine, and its use continues to increase thanks to its many advantages, which we still mention below. Unlike other systems such as barcodes or QR codes, which use image for identification, RFID use radio waves to capture information from RFID tags, with the characteristics that the direct line of sight is not necessary, meaning that only requirement is that the RFID tag have to within the reading range of RFID reader or antenna. Following video, we can see how RFID technology, in this case, to achieve product traceability and the benefit of RFID. RFID does not require a line of sight. RFID text can be read and recorded as many times as desired. RFID tag can neither be disposable or highly resistant for reuse. RFID tag data can be encrypted and locked. RFID can be contain more information than other types of text. RFID reader can read hundreds of tags at a time. RFID tags are printable. RFID system can be integrated with ERP or other internal systems. Unit 9, DSRC and connected vehicles. What is DSRC? Dedicated short-range communication is a wireless communication technology that allows for communication between vehicles and surrounding infrastructure. DSRC products high-speed, secure communication without requiring access to a cellular network. In the United States, it is the predominant technology used for connected vehicle operating in the 5.9 Hz band, while this band will dedicate to the exclusive use the DSRC. As for November 2021, the lower 45 mechanisms have been made available for unlicensed Wi-Fi use. Limited DSRC. The continued research of DSRC technology is a priority of the Department of Transportation Joint Program Office through Field Active Vehicles are DSRC compatible. Automakers have been hesitant to incorporate DSRC without assurance that other automakers will introduce it as well, because unless a high priority of vehicles are using the same technology, they won't be able to manufacture it. And what is 5G for connected vehicle? In relation to connected vehicle, 5G is often used to refer to the fifth generation cellular chip used in C-V2X communications, while 4G can be used for vehicle communication. 5G offers greater speed and reliability than its predecessor, as discussion shifts towards C-V2X technologies. 5G is often used alongside discussion of autonomous vehicles because of the speed and the connectivity to offers. 5G technology is gaining popularity, and some automakers, such as Ford, has been preparing to introduce the technology to their new vehicle. Thanks for listening.